Hi, I'm Emily with Laurastar. Let me introduce you to our Lift portable steam generator and compare the features in the Lift Plus, and the Lift Xtra. Lift can be used with any ironing board or used as a vertical steamer. The carrying handle and weight make it a great option to use in any room in your home. The power of Laurastar is the dry microfine steam. The steam is twice heated. It's more like a gas than a steam, so it's not going to spit or drip on your fabric. Our steam is also hygienic. It kills 99.99% of germs, bacteria, fungi, dust mites, bedbugs, and lice. The powerful steam is found in all our product lines, including the Lift. So what's different about these besides color? All of our systems and generators have the same powerful steam, but I like to refer to our Lift models as good, better, best, or Lift, Lift Plus, and Lift Xtra. Our Lift comes in pure white and original red. Lift Plus comes in Pinky Pop, Blue Sky, and Ultimate Black, and our Lift Xtra comes in Titan, Aluminum, and 1980, which is our limited edition gold. The Titan has all of our top-of-the-line features: the fully aluminum 3D sole plate, one ideal temperature, the pulsed steam, and this one also includes a steam cord holder. On the Lift Plus, we still have the 3D sole plate, but the ridge is plastic. We have that same pulsed steam feature, and it also includes the steam cord holder. Here you can see we have a temperature dial. The Entry Lift product has a different style sole plate. It's a flat sole plate. We get the same powerful steam, but it isn't distributed as evenly as the 3D sole plate. A steam cord holder is not included, and we do not have the efficient pulse steam feature. We do have that temperature dial here as well. Let's go over the features on our top-of-the-line Lift Xtra. Here's our large capacity removable water tank. I take this right to the sink and fill with regular tap water. The water goes into my boiler and heats to a very hot temperature, creating a very fine steam. That steam travels through the 7-foot cord and is heated a second time as it exits the iron. We have a really powerful dry steam. My portable generator has compact storage. My iron is stored here, and I have a removable silicone mat. I can place my iron on any ironing station with a silicone mat, but I can also store the iron hot in my generator. On our generators, we have the same professional iron. I've got my steam controls on the right and left-hand side, good for any user. Here's my powerful steam. A unique feature that I have on the Lift Xtra, as well as the Lift Plus, is our pulsed steam. The toggle is right on the handle here, and when I switch that toggle, now I've got bursts of steam when I control the steam. This is a great efficient feature because I'm going to reduce the amount of steam I use and also reduce the amount of water. You'll notice on the Lift Xtra we don't have a temperature dial. On the Xtra I have one ideal temperature. This is great because the magic of Laurastar is the twice heated steam, and that relies on the heat in the iron. The temperature ensures we always have dry microfine steam. If I were to reduce the temperature of my iron, we can't guarantee my particles of steam will stay as fine or dry. This isn't really a concern because all of our lifts come with a Teflon-coated, non-stick protective sole plate. This is going to drop the temperature of the plate by 100 degrees when I want to use delicate fabrics, but it's going to keep the steam really fine. And this is how I use this. It clips right in to my iron, and again, the temperature of the plate is going to drop by 100 degrees with the protective sole plate. Another accessory that's included with the Lift Xtra is our steam cord holder. This is great because it can clamp to any ironing station, and it's going to help me support the cord of my iron. This is going to keep my iron cord out of the way when I'm ironing. Our fully aluminum 3D active sole plate is found on our top-of-the-line Lift Xtra. It provides a full curtain of steam that evenly distributes steam into the fibers and removes wrinkles faster. Because the entire plate is aluminum, it heats more consistently as well and gives us better results. Let's talk about the dual shutoff mode. On my iron, I have an automatic shutoff that will turn off after 10 minutes of inactivity. But if I want to override the automatic shutoff, when I turn my lift on, I can press and hold this power button for 10 seconds. When I see the red lights flash here and here, I'm going to know that I've overridden the automatic shutoff. Let's talk about water filters and maintenance. This is the same for each level of lift. I have a large capacity removable water tank that holds 37 ounces of water. I won't be refilling water constantly. We can take the tank right to the sink and fill with regular tap water. If you have well water or a water softener, then we recommend bottled spring water. The anti-scale filter keeps the good minerals in and filters out the bad minerals. This isn't something that gets changed frequently, but the filter button will light up when it's time to change the filter. I can leave water in my lift in between use, but once per month the tank of the lift should be emptied. Let me show you the simple maintenance that prevents mineral buildup. It's so important, otherwise I won't have dry microfine steam if too much buildup occurs. Shake the lift using circular movements. I've got a glass bowl, but you'll empty the lift over the sink. Pull the tab and remove the drain screw with a quarter or tool. I'm going to empty the water in the tank. Once the water is removed, I'm going to replace the drain screw and put the tab back down. And that completes the simple maintenance for our lift. The Laurastar Lift has a lot to offer, so I hope that you understand the features that are found on the Lift Plus, and our Lift Xtra a little bit better.